Hi there, my name is Catalina Cruz and I will be your instructor for Basic Science 1. I'm really excited to share a little bit about myself. I have been teaching for 20 years at Santa Ana College School of Continuing Education. Actually, I've been a part-time teacher. And this semester, I am working in the Social Studies and Science Division at the High School Subjects Diploma Program. I earned my bachelor's and my master's degree at Cal State University Fullerton. I'm married, I have 3 children, and I also have a dog. His name is Kingston. Um, some of my hobbies are baking. I also crochet shawls for cancer patients, I'm sorry. And then I also like to take long walks on the beach and watch the sunset. Uh, I do want to say that Basic Science 1 is an introduction to the sciences course. It is a 12-week online course, and there are some ways that you can contact me, and you can check those in the About the Instructor page. They are email, inbox, in the Canvas, and also you can leave a voicemail if you'd like. I will be returning your messages within 48 hours. The ways that I will be contacting you are through announcements, and I will be participating in the discussions as well. I will be giving you feedback for the grading, and sometimes I will leave messages for you directly in the inbox. The last thing that I want to say is that Basic Science is an online course. It is a 12-week course, and at the end of the course, you will be able to understand scientific inquiry, identify the steps for a scientific investigation, design your own experiments, and work safely in the lab. Those are just some of the goals that we have. So welcome to Science 1. We're excited to be here. Participate in those discussions, build community with the other students, your peers, your colleagues, and myself. And we will get through the class. And anytime you need to contact me, you've seen my face, you've heard my voice, so you can make that connection. All right, welcome again. Thank you.